Come on, let's go see the new house, John. What does that say? Does that say McGurdy Brothers? Huh? What does that say? Huh?
Johnny.
Johnny, right. John, come on out. John. Come on out. Hey up, the ice cream man's here. There he is. What do you got in your hand? What do you got in your hand, John? It's a Playboy book or something. Let me see, what do you got? Let me see, what's in your hand? Sports Illustrated. I thought there was a Playboy book in there, John. Here, John, take the book. John. Here.
John, get the shingles and the chimney on.
John.
Look at that.
John.
We're going up the stairs.
This is the kitchen area.
John, you have to get the front of the house.
Nice transom window. Fine woodwork. Dining area. But we don't have any walls up yet. I'll take it on upstairs. Notice the steel beam structure.
John, what's this here? Is this our closet?
Going up the stairs here. One bedroom. This is probably John Ashley's bedroom. We have... Can't point this thing in the sunlight, that's one thing I've learned.
It could be a window. Have a window in there next week. Okay? It's going to be a window in there.
Show us some other rooms, John.
Rooms?
Yeah, show us some more rooms.
Come on this way. So this is...
Come on. John.
This is John Ashley's bedroom right here.
No, it's not. It's the other one. You got to be far away with this thing.
No.
John Ash.
The wife. Another bathroom. Master bathroom.
And that's the other laundry thing. This
I'll
is
come
our
and
bedroom.
get you, Daddy.
What?
I'll come and get you.
You come get me?
Yeah.
You want me to chase you?
Yeah.
Okay, go. Hey, yeah.
John, is this for the flu right here? Ooh, disgusting.
Hey, yeah, I'm chasing you.
John, is this a flu right here?
Wait a minute, Vic. I'm busy filming. No.
Yes, it is.
Oh, you fall down?
Yeah.
You all right?
John, I have a question.
What?
Why did they put the laundry cupboards, John,
What?
so we could open them in the bathroom? Do you like it out in the hall like this? Okay, I do. Oh, look what's down there. Oh my goodness, we must be careful. That's the basement. Boo-boo. Oh, it's windy there. John, you know where to go? Oh, it's freezing.
Just in the lost other than looking through that stupid people.
So John, do you have an option with that? You can use that overlay.
Yeah.
What?
That's good.
Whoa! Whoa! You're gonna get hurt, Johnny boy.
John,
What?
you go across to the Perfects and film it from their house. They'll get all the front of it on.
It's lighting terrible.
Right? What?
The lighting terrible. All right, John, that's enough.